River Valley Intermediate School is being converted into a middle school for the fall of 2022. So we are in the process of adding an entire new wing, two-story wing that would be the 8th grade wing. Also in the process of adding many athletic facilities that we did not have as an intermediate school: weight room, locker rooms, coach's office, training room, competition gym, auxiliary gym. Also adding additional fine arts facilities to be similar to what Midway Middle School has. Adding some agricultural rooms to mirror what Midway Middle School has. CTE labs. And so not only are we adding a bunch of new construction, some of our existing building is being converted to match the programs that Midway Middle School has. Growth is always good. It means not only are we keeping the people that are here, that people are wanting to move here and they're wanting to be a part of Midway ISD. And so I think the growth is good. I think it will offer more opportunities for students to be involved in athletics, in fine arts, in clubs, and organizations. And so I think it's only a good thing for our students. You see the plan, you see it on the blueprint, and then you start really seeing it be a reality. Has just been really rewarding to see that and to be involved in that process, and really kind of makes you proud to see that this is what the community wanted, this is what the community stood behind, and now we're going to see the benefits, and ultimately the kids are going to be the ones that benefit the most from it.